Hey class, I'm Mr. Kramer. I'm going to be your mathematics teacher for Evening High School. Welcome. So I'm going to go ahead and try to help you navigate through some of the coursework and how to turn it in Google Classroom. Hopefully you have joined or accepted my invitation for the class. So let's get started. So as you can see on this page right here, we have the Google Chrome web browser open. So what you're going to want to do is go up here and make sure that you sign into your Google account. Please make sure you're using your school email account to sign in to Google. Not any other, not any personal account. It has to be your school account. Okay? All right, so the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to go to Google Classroom. So you'll type in Google Classroom. And so you're going to get something that looks like this. This is my Google Classroom, different classes that I've created and the classes that I'm in. So right here, if you haven't joined yet, you're going to press the plus and you're going to join class and you're going to put in the code that I gave you in the email that I sent you. I also sent you an invitation in your email, so you can join that way as well. Okay? So what you're going to do next is once you're into my class, Evening High School, trying to make my screen larger but doesn't seem to want to go larger, so bear with me here. So what you're going to do is you're going to, on the page that says stream is going to be used to communicate with me. Okay, so on Monday at between 3 and 5 p.m., you need to come here into the stream and you can type in your name, checking in, no questions. Now, if you do have a question, you can put your question in here, or you can go to email and email me your question there as well. So either place, you can send me your questions, okay? So that's what Stream is going to be used for. Checking in, and you must check in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday between 3 and 5. If you do not check in, then I will be making a phone call to your home, checking in with you, but please check in here. If I can't get a hold of you, then I have to pass this on to Mr. Hardcastle, and then he will be possibly giving you an absence for that day. So please, it's very important that you check in between 3 and 5 o'clock, Monday through Thursday. Okay? All right, so the next place you're going to go is you're going to go to Classwork tab up here. So in Classwork, so my tabs are going to look a little bit different than yours. Yours won't have grades over here. Yours is going to say Stream, Classwork, and People. Okay, so you're going to go to Classwork. And so let's say that you're in my class and you are taking Algebra second semester only. Okay, so let's say you're taking Algebra 2B second semester only. This is the only tab that you're going to be going to. You're not going to worry about any of the other tabs. Those are for other students taking those courses. So you would click here into this tab here, and so then it's going to bring down a screen, and this is what I've given to each of you, except for Math Models. Math Models is a little bit different, but right here I've given you a pacing calendar. So on Thursday, you picked up a packet from me, which has all the sections that you need to work on, except for Math Models. Math Models is going to be done a little bit differently. So Math Models, just bear with me for a moment. So you click on the document, and right here, it's going to help you pace yourself. So for this first week, so Monday, section 7.1 in your textbook needs to be completed, and it needs to be turned into the Google Classroom. Okay? Tuesday, section 7.2, and so on. When you get to the end of a section, there will be an assessment right here, an assessment that you need to do as part of your grade. And then you just keep working through. So each day there is a different section that is due. Okay? All right, let's go back here and let's go to Math Models. So if you click on the Math Models tab, there's a couple of you in Math Models. Here are all your assignments. So here's assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, and assignment 4. You would just click on the assignment. You can either print it off, or you can do the work in your notebook straight from this page right here. You can just look at this page and write it all into your notebook. Now let's talk about turning this stuff in. So I'm going to go to a different class because this is a teacher's classroom viewpoint, okay? So I'm going to pause the video for just a moment, and I'm going to go to another class and show you where you turn things in. Okay, so for each of the classes, I will be posting an assignment for the section or sections that you need to be turning in. So for example, in this classroom, notice I'm under the classroom tab, classwork tab, okay? So this would be your view. This is just an example, okay? Here is an assignment. Notice this is an assignment symbol. I click on the assignment. There's the assignment. And to turn it in, you're going to click on View Assignment. And notice over here, it says Your Work. So here you would take a picture with your phone of your assignment that you did in your notebook, unless you printed off the paper for the Math Models. You would click on Add or Create, and then you would attach that. Then you would attach that file, that picture. So you would click on File, and then you're going to upload, and then you're going to go find that picture that you just took. It might be under Recent. Okay, once you find it, you can open it, click on it and open it. So now on this screen here, you've uploaded your file, which in most cases would be that picture that you took of your work, okay? And then you would upload it. And so as you can see here, here is the image. And in your case, this would be an image of the work that you did for me. And then you would just click Turn In. Now, if you do have any questions about anything when you turn something in, you can send me a private comment down below. And if you have a question that you think the class would benefit from, then you can send a comment and the whole class would be able to read it. Okay, well, I hope that helps you navigate Google Classroom. But I must stress that Monday through Thursday, you need to be checking in here on Stream under classwork. Make sure that you are only going into your course and doing your work. So for example, someone doing both semesters, here's a pacing calendar that I made for you to help you stay on track. And there it is. There's the pacing calendar all the way through. Okay. Remember, you can email me if you have any trouble. And remember that inside these folders, inside your course, there will be assignments, section, whatever, and that's where you would turn in your assignments each day, Monday through Thursday. Okay, well, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment or send me an email. And I look forward to helping you earn your credit so you can graduate